Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Do you know of place and manner of articulation terminal consonant sound production? Explain your answer.
The place and manner of articulation of consonant sound are important aspects of phonetics. Place of articulation refers to the location in the vocal tract where abstraction occurs, such as by level of upward and lower lips, example PBM, labiodental after teeth and lower lips, example AV, alveolar tip of tongues and gums, example TDS, filler backs of the tongue and soft lights, example KG. Manner of articulation of air flows is obstructive or received. For example, the sounds V and T are produced by completely blocking the air and the resting it soundly blockage, whereas the sound S and Z are produced by creating a rough opening for the air to flow friction. Consonant sound production process the process of producing consonant sounds generally involves the following steps. Airflow from the lungs is pushed out through the respiratory tracts. Articulation, the organs of speech move to create obstruction of construction of airflow in certain places in certain ways. Resonance pirating air in the oral and nasal cavities produce a characteristic sound for each consonant.
What do you know of vowel sounds? Explain your answer. Write example.
Vowel sounds are the basic sounds in language that are produced without significant resistance when spoken. Imagine saying the letters A, I, U, E, or O with this letter or pronouns. Air flows freely from the lungs without being significant obstructive by the tongue, teeth, or lips. No air resistance and airflow relative spoken it is the nucleus of the syllable. Almost all syllables in a language have a vowel at their center formed by the position of the tongue, jaw, and lips. Each vowel has different tongue, jaw, and lips when pronounced. Example of vowel sounds. Vowel letter in Indonesian A, I, U, O. Force consisting of only one vowel, a exclamation, I, ya, u. Words that have several vowels. How's it study?
What do you know of lies and manner of articulation in terms of vowel sounds?
Place and modern of articulation of vowel sound involving the position of the tongue and the shape of the mouth. Place of articulation refers to the form where air expelled, such as in front vowels I, E, or back vowels U, O. Methods of articulation includes the high and lowness of the tongue. The higher the tongue position, the narrower the airflow resulting in different vowels. Vowels are also differentiating based on the roundness of the lips. For example, rounds vowels U and are rounds I, even though the tongue position is the same.
Do you agree with saying that suprasegmental sound really exists in all language?
I agree it needs to be acknowledged that suprasegmental sound they exist in the languages. Suprasegmental concept refers to features of language sounds that cannot be separated from individual forms by provide additional information about the structure and expression of the language. This includes the stress intonationality, pitch, and vibration of the voice that convey certain emotions. Although implementation detail may vary between languages, the basic suprasegmental principles are universal in all language systems. In Indonesian, for example, suprasegmental elements such as intonation, tone, accents, trace, and sound variation related to emotion are often used to provide additional meaning to sentences and make communication more effective. Likewise, in other languages, consonant has a similar function in increasing the complexity and nuance of language expression.
How do you know define suprasegmental sound? Explain your answer by giving example.
Suprasegmental sounds are components of language, sounds that cannot be separated into individual units such as vowels and consonants but function as additional elements that a component them suprasegmental component. I'll contribute to the meaning a intention 5 the conversion. Example: pressure. Pressure for stress refers to the loudness or softness of the voice. For example, in the word the stress on the makes the words difference in meaning from the data. Noun. Fish or fish is related to the hang and low of the sound. A classic example is Chinese, where tones can change the meaning of words. In Indonesian, even though the tone is not very significant at the phonetic level it still plays a role in syntax. Pause. A pause or pause is referred of silence between syllables of phrases. A practical example is when you said hello or have you can breakfast. The pause between hello and have you had breakfast shows transition between ideas and provides for perfection in communication.